Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your PUBG Mobile account for enhanced security and to recover your account if needed, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Download and install PUBG Mobile from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Step 2. Open the game and tap on the login option. You can create a new account or log in using existing credentials from Facebook, Google, or other supported platforms. Step 3. If creating a new account, complete the registration process by following the on-screen prompts. Step 4. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon on the main game screen. Step 5. In settings, look for the account section or social media linking options. Step 6. Link your PUBG Mobile account to a social media platform like Facebook, Twitter, or Google. This serves as a primary verification method. Step 7. For additional security, link your account to multiple platforms. This ensures you can recover your account through various methods. Step 8. Enable two-factor authentication if available in your region. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Step 9. Verify your email address by linking it to your PUBG Mobile account in the account settings. Check your email for a verification link. Step 10. Set a strong password if you're using PUBG Mobile's own login system, and consider linking your account to a phone number for SMS verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.